I am not a Filipino for nothing. To the International Criminal Court, send our beloved former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte home. Nourishing our body shouldn't mean sacrificing flavor. Discover how this AIP beef and broccoli stir-fry brings delight and nourishment to our plate. Salute everyone! Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace. We now know that AIP journey is about healing, but it's also about finding sustainable ways to enjoy flavor. This beef and broccoli stir-fry recipe is more than just a compliant meal. It's a balanced combination of flavor and wholesome ingredients. Let's start by slicing a crown of broccoli into bite-sized florets. Next is to prepare our stir-fry sauce. In lieu of oyster sauce, we can combine the following into a small mixing bowl. A teaspoon of grated ginger root, 2 teaspoons of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of coconut palm sugar, 5 tablespoons of coconut aminos, half tablespoon of avocado oil as our substitute to the sesame oil. Into a separate little bowl, we will combine a tablespoon of arrowroot starch, a quarter cup of filtered water. Mix to dissolve and pour this to the rest of the ginger, garlic, coconut palm sugar, and coconut aminos mixture, stirring it well to combine all the ingredients. Let us proceed by slicing up our beef against the grain. I'm using 3/4 pounds of beef button round steak in thin slices. Then over medium-high heat, we can cook our broccoli florets into a wok or pan. Add 2 tablespoons of water to steam cook the broccoli for a few minutes. Cover. Then turn off the heat once it is cooked according to your desired doneness. Transfer the broccoli into a holding plate. And to the same wok or pan, we will cook our sliced beef over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of avocado oil. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. Allow it to cook for a minute and turn the meat. Once the beef is brown or cooked, we will pour our stir-fry sauce mixture. Stir-fry to combine the meat and sauce well. Allow this to simmer for a few minutes until the sauce thickens. And then we can combine our broccoli florets to the beef. Stir-fry to mix the ingredients. Turn the heat off and plate. This beef and broccoli stir-fry is traditionally enjoyed with steam-cooked rice, but we can pair this with a nutrient-dense purple yam. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our AIP beef and broccoli stir-fry. This easy recipe is a great addition to our make-ahead dish, especially on busy weekdays. Please give this recipe a try. and let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to also check our other flavorful AIP recipes in this channel. Until next time, be healed and be blessed.